Hello everyone. So today we are going to see who is going to contact you, and yes, welcome to my channel. And so today we will see who will contact you and what is their message for you. So as on the screen you can see there are three piles. First pile is a love letter, okay, and second pile is a mask, and third pile is a antique telephone. So choose whatever you are called to do. Use your intuition and choose a pile. Okay. So yes, enjoy your reading. Hello pile 1. So today we are going to see who is going to contact you very soon or who wants to reach out you. So let's start your reading directly. Okay. Yes. So who is this person? The first question. So this person is definitely from your past, as we have 8 of cups there. So this is a person whom you have broke up with or you have moved on from this person. Okay. So this can be your ex boyfriend or girlfriend. Okay. Or it can be a colleague whom you used to work with, or maybe due to the COVID situation you can't meet this person, or maybe this person lives in different far away from your house, or this person is not from your state. So there is a distance between you two, which I'm getting here. But for most of you, this person lives in your same city as yours. Okay. And this is the person whom you have moved on with. Maybe this was a long distance connection, so you left this connection and moved on. That can be a possibility. And yeah, or a colleague whom you used to work with, or you left that company or your job or university or college. So this person is from this person can be from your college or universities. Okay. But right now you don't work there or study there. This is what I'm getting. Or this person is from your past. Okay. Yes, this person don't wanted to lose you, but unfortunately due to some misunderstanding and some miscommunication you broke up or you left that place. Okay. And the second possibility, or the third possibility which I'm getting, this person can be a woman. Okay. A woman whom you know, who is older than you. Okay. And who can be, this woman can be your aunt, your sister, it can be your uncle also. Okay. This person is currently working on their finances. Maybe you found out something about this person, so you left this person. That can be a possibility here. Okay. This person is a workaholic, which I'm seeing here. Okay. And yes, this person is focusing on their wealth, on their abundance, and you are very intuitive person, viewers of pile 1. Okay. Because we have the high priestess card here. It can be an old teacher, ma'am, or anything like that also. Okay. So let's see some chits also which I have made to confirm, because these are the intuitive messages which I was getting when I was shuffling your cards. So I wrote it down, I printed it. So the first chit which we have is somebody from your past is reaching out to you. Okay. That is the first chit. Second possibility, as I told, old friend or colleague. Next we have a co-partner here. So a co-worker or colleague, same thing, it is the same thing. Okay. Next we have what we have, past lover. Okay. So this can be a past lover. Okay. For some of you, and for others who don't who were not in any relationship in the past, this can be your uncle or aunt. Okay. Yes. So now we will see why they are wanting to reach out to you, why they want to contact you. Okay. What is the reason behind that? Okay. So if this person is your uncle or aunt, they don't want, there is a fear of missing out on something. Okay. This person has, whoever this person is, there is a fear of missing out on you, missing out on opportunities which life gives us. Okay. This person thinks that you are moving ahead in your life and leaving them behind. They are on the same stage, but you are leveling up. Okay. So this is what makes them fearful. Okay. So they want to reach out to you, they want to be on your level. And if this is uncle and aunt of yours, they don't want you to like succeed or earn more money than them. You are creating a stable foundation for yourself which they don't want. Okay. Which I'm getting. So there is this message, intuitive message which I got, that is fear of missing out. So they don't want to miss out on any opportunities. Okay. While they are busy in complaining about their own life, you are building your own stairs. Yes, I can say that you are making your own path here. Okay. while they are busy in complaining. Yes, because you are very intuitive person with the high priestess there. You know everything. There is an intuitive knowing about things, what you have to do, how you overcame. So they are like questioning this thing, how you overcame your fears, how you overcame your this heartbreak and everything. So they want to reach out to you with the Knight of Swords here. Okay, they see you working on your finances, on your abundance here. Okay, so they want to be on your level. Yes, maybe financially they are not as stable as you are, so they want to earn more money like you. Okay, they want to save money, and you are that type of person who don't try to always save money. You try to spend it, because money is an energy, right? If you spend it, you will get it. What you give, you get. So you are that kind of person, and these people hate that. Okay, so this is what I'm getting for you. And yeah, we have to see some more cards to get more information why they want to contact you, or why they want to reach out to you. Okay, so we have a death card here. Okay, so yes, there was an ending with this person, or you ended this situation in your life and you move further in your life. You are a transformed person, you are a very awakened person here. Okay, and they are not liking it. Okay, because you are moving ahead, leaving them behind, leaving the heartbreak, fear, everything behind, and you are moving alone here on this journey. And it was not an easy journey for you to leave so many people and stress, anxiety behind, but you did it, which is I'm proud of you for that. Okay, so these people are thinking about that only, that how you moved on. Okay, so yes, I see there was an ending, and I am strongly feeling that this is your ex who wants to reach out to you. Maybe they are blocked, there can be any reason why they are not reaching out, but they want to reach out to you, which I'm getting here, or they will soon reach out to you somewhere, somehow. Okay, with the white horse here, they want peace in the situation. Okay, yes, they want peace in the situation. They want to be like this child who is offering flower, but in this case you have to be strong here, right? You can't escape death, you can't escape transformation, you have to move on, even if it hurts some people. Okay, so this is what I'm getting. Let's see why they want to reach out. Yes, you are focusing on your work here. Okay, which I'm getting. So you are like focused on your work, on your career, on your craft. Okay, and you are not focused on anything else here. Okay, you are focused on your work, you are working hard, you are thinking positive with the hammer here. Okay, so just because of your thoughts, your motivation, your drive towards your work, this drive them crazy. Okay, they want to know more about your work, what you are doing, how you are doing this, or how are you taking care of your health or not, or are you overworking? So these things they want to know. Sometimes for some of you, your aunt and uncle, their intention can be good. Okay, in some cases, but not for all. Okay, so this is what I'm getting. Okay, let's keep it here. They are curious about your work here. Okay, however, they are stressed out in their own life, and they want to know the reason how you overcame your anxiety. They are very curious about the gift, about the spiritual gifts which you have and they don't have it, because they are not on your level. They are way below you. Okay, and you are way above them, especially in terms of spirituality. I'm getting. Okay, you are a very spiritual person. You can be a psychic reader also, or very intuitive if not. Somebody is from medical field, I think. I don't know, I'm getting that. Okay, so yes, they are very you are very abundant person, you are very happy person, happy go lucky kind of person. On the other hand, they are having anxiety, sleepless nights, and so they want to know how to overcome these obstacles in their life, because but they have to understand they have to overcome these obstacles by their own. They have to stand up for themselves. Okay, if they are facing certain problems, a certain person, it can be a certain person who was very confused about you, whether to approach you or not. Okay, now the confusion is clearing. Okay, now the sky is clear, you can see. Now the sky is clear, confusion is clear. All that confusion and anxiety which this person had, this is clearing out. Okay, about you. So they want, this came in reverse, so their confusion is being cleared and they want to reach out to you because they think if in the past they rejected you, they are regretting it. Okay, this is what I'm getting. If this is your colleague who didn't treated you well, they want to treat you well this time. Okay, they want good for you. This can be a possibility here. Yes, with the water here, they have so much to say. They have so much to say or tell you that they want balance in this connection. They want to tell you everything about them. Okay, and why they treated you this way. Okay, and yes, if this person, this is a secret admirer, they want to reveal their feelings to you if they were confused in the past. So confusion is clearing here and new beginnings are coming. So this is what I'm getting for you. So let's take 2 love messages because I'm also getting some love interest here. So let's take 2 love messages, not more than that, because I think if this is a person from your past, either everything will be okay in this connection or everything will break apart. Okay, so this person may be a good looking person, or this person thinks this person in the past has so much of ego, they thought they are like the most handsome or beautiful woman in this world, but they are not. See, they see you as a light. You are the light in my life. So they want this light. They don't want this ending darkness in their situation, okay, in their life. So they see you as a light, as a ray of hope. Okay, so this is what I'm getting. This is the person who wants to contact you and this is their message. So thank you for watching. Bye. Welcome pile 2 to my channel and to your reading. Okay, so today's topic is who is going to contact you and what is their message for you. Okay, so let's start. So this person, who is this person? Let's talk about them. So we have Emperor and Page of Pentacles here. Okay, so this person can be a father figure here, okay, who is older in age. I see 5 years, or it can be more than that. Okay, your father can contact you, your senior, your boss can contact you, okay, for some work related matter. Okay, and second, I have Page of Pentacles here. So definitely a crush from your university or anywhere you work, your workplace, can contact you here. Okay, so the person whom you work with, or your childhood friend, or your best friend also, I'm getting, I don't know why. Okay, so yes, with the Page of Pentacles, it can be a crush, it can be a senior boss, or it can be admirer also, a secret admirer or crush. Okay, and with the Tower card there, they will message you unexpectedly. Okay, there is no time in tarot. Okay, I cannot tell you the time, but yes, and it can be a person from your past also, but that is for like few of you, not all. For most of you, I'm getting a senior person who is older than you, your boss, your colleague, and your crush. Okay, so yeah, some of you may be like doing affirmation here, law of attraction. So your manifestation are coming true, which I'm getting. You were waiting for it. You were waiting for it. I don't know what it is. You were waiting for it since a long time, and now your manifestation are coming true. Okay, whatever you were manifesting is coming to you. Okay, new partnership are also coming. So it can be a call from a new office or new colleague or co-worker. Okay, yes. So let's see some chits which I have made. Okay, so the first thing which we have is, as I said, these are the intuitive messages which I got: crush or secret admirer. Okay, then we have what we have acquaintance. So yes, and okay, this is big one, a person who is not expressing their feelings. So this can be a secret admirer who is not expressing their feelings to you. Okay, or it can be like old fling. Okay, this is new thing. This is, I don't know you can see it or not, old fling or causal relationship. You, someone from your past whom you had a causal relationship here. Okay, yeah, and we also have some messages. Yes, this person, whoever this is, they are crazy about it, crazy about you. Okay, if this is person from your past, they have a heavy heart here. This is what I got. Okay, so wait a minute. So this person is sad, whoever this person is sad. Now next sign how you can find this person is country mile. So this person lives away from you in another city or country. So pile 2, now we will see why this person wants to text you, call you, message you. Okay, what is their message for you? So let's start. So the first card which we have is 8 of Pentacles here. Okay, so this can be a person whom you were waiting for. Okay, you were waiting for this call, message, mail. Okay, whatever. As I told you that this can be a manifestation which you were working on. You were using manifestation techniques to achieve this goal. So this is what you were manifesting. If you were manifesting a person, this is that person. This, I see two person coming towards you. One person is younger and other person is older in age. Okay, or a fire sign. Okay, and yeah, somebody here is air sign. Okay, I'm getting that too. So yes, this is the person whom you were manifesting. And secondly, this person is very mysterious. This is how you think about this person, or this person thinks about you, that you are very mysterious person. You are very beautiful yet very mysterious. Yes, if this person is from your past, this person wants a new start with you. Okay, this person wants a new start, fresh start in this connection. Okay, they want to travel with you also, or they want to travel to you. This person can be from your workplace, which I'm also strongly getting. So this can be your crush who works with you. Okay, you work together, which I'm getting strongly. So you two work together in same office, okay, or company, whatever you call it, or universities. You work with this person. Okay, and this person and you both have crush on each other, which I'm getting here strongly. Or because we have the Tower card here, so this can be an old fling. Okay, and if this is the old fling whom you had a sexual encounter with, okay, then this person is crazy for your love, for your support, for your kindness. Okay, but this person cannot do anything because this person lives far away from you. Okay, this person is not from the same city, so they want to reach out to you, they want to travel. But if this is a old fling of yours, they are not serious about you, because we have the Fool card here. They are not serious here. Okay, yeah, some stable person is coming towards you as well, because we also have the Emperor here. So something stable is coming towards you at the same time. Okay, this can be from a person from your workplace who can contact you for work. Yes, and something is going to be revealed to you. Okay, some news, it can be a good news, listen to me, it can be a good news as well as a bad news, which will be revealed to you very soon. So mark my words. Okay, something good or something bad, okay, here will be revealed to you. Something can happen, okay, here, maybe in family or a place where you work. Okay, something, it can be something good, it can be something bad. Okay, which will be revealed to you and you will be shocked about it. So this is my duty to tell you beforehand what I'm getting here. For some of you it may resonate, for others it may not, but that is what I'm strongly getting for this pile. Okay. Okay, one more message I'm getting for you. This can be a person who recently lost someone in their family. They lost some family members or something like that. Okay, this can be that person also. And they are like, that is why heavy heart came out. Okay, so they are sad. They are sad due to some reasons. Maybe they lost someone or they lost job. I don't know. There can be any reason. Okay, so this is the person who is going to contact you very soon. And timing, I cannot tell you, because we have the Tower card. So again, unexpected call or message can come to you. Okay, so yes, this is your reading, this is what I'm getting. Let's take some like, if this is a love interest which I'm getting here, so let's take 2 love messages for you. Okay, yes, this person is fearful in approaching you, which I was getting with the Moon card here. So you make my fears melt away. So yes, they see you as very strong person, so they want support and love and your kindness. Let's see another message for you. Okay, you are my best friend and always will be. Let's take one more. Wait. I feel at ease when I'm with you. Yes, this is the last message. I start missing you the second you leave. So yes, you have left this person, or you are not in contact with this person, so this person is missing you. Yes, this person misses you a lot because they have a heavy heart here. They are sad, they are missing you, maybe they live far away from you, so they can't reach out to you, but they will try their best here, okay, to win you over. If this is a love interest, and if this is from your work, they want to make a better relation with you, okay. So this is what I'm getting for pile 2. Thank you for watching. Bye. Welcome pile 3 to your reading. So today we are gonna do a reading on who is going to contact you and what is their message or what they want to tell you, okay. So let's start directly. So who is going to contact you? This person can be from your friend circle, okay, or your friend, or your best friend, or your ex-husband or wife also, okay. A person who is senior to you, who from your workplace, can contact you, from your office, work, universities, okay, wherever you go. This is the person who also works there, and they are curious about your work here, okay. They want to know about how you perform better than them, okay. And if this is a friend, yes, they want to know your secrets, okay, which I'm getting. And for others, I'm getting this is your future spouse or husband also, which these are the intuitive messages I got when I was shuffling your cards, okay. They also, if this is a love interest, they want to support you because we have mushroom here, so they want to support you in your tough times, okay. Or maybe they are going through a tough time, so they will contact you so that you can assist them here, okay. So the main thing which the main theme of this reading is assistance and support. So whoever is going to contact you, they want assistance and support from you. They see you as a person who has a big heart, okay. So they want assistance and support. With the red color here, I am also getting that yes, this person is very passionate about you. If this is a love interest, okay. If this is a love interest, they want to go on dates, or they are planning these things, okay, in their head, okay, because this is remembering me of the crown chakra, so I said head, okay. So these all things or fantasies are in their head. They are not doing it in reality, yeah, but they may in future, okay. So let's see who will contact you. I have made some chits here. So a call and text from a lady. So yes, a lady can contact, this lady can be older than you, okay, which I'm getting, okay. Your best friend will text you or call you, okay. Next, husband or future spouse. I also said ex-husband, so it can be that also. What is next? Angels call, recreation, okay. I will get to it. Work related call, okay. This can be a call from work. We have BF and GF, so it can be your boyfriend or girlfriend. We also have senior or boss, and it goes well with the justice card here, okay. Angels, let's talk about angel call, okay, recreation. So angels call here, they want you to recreate something or start something new. Don't give up. This is their message for you, okay. They don't want you to give up on a person maybe, or a situation. Try to find solution. Try to fix things, not to break things, because sometimes we have to fix things instead of breaking it apart, right? So, or breaking a relationship, okay. So try to solve problems by communicating with this person, okay, because this person is good person, okay. This is what recreation, even I was shocked when I typed this, okay. What is recreation? What is the message? So now I'm getting the message, actual message which angel wanted to convey through me. So they want you to recreate your life, to reestablish, to establish your career, to focus on your career and on your relationship also, okay. Try to fix things, try to solve things through communication. This is only through communication you can solve your problem. It is the biggest tool you have, okay. So this is the message of angel call, recreation. Now let's see some more chats here I have about this person. This will describe about this person as well as their personality, so you can know who this person is. You can identify this person, down to earth person. So this is very down to earth. I'm getting good vibes from this person. This person is not bad, this person is very good, okay. Workload, so maybe you are working very hard, you have workload, or this person has a workload, so you cannot communicate with each other, okay. You can't talk with each other right now due to your workload or your schedules, I'm getting, okay. for financial assistance. Yes, you or your family may get a call for financial assistance or help. Okay, if possible, try to help them. Okay, eagle watching, so somebody is definitely air sign here and they are watching you. Okay, they are keeping tabs on you, what you are doing, what are you up to, how are you. I'm also getting some person here can be messaging you or will be messaging you for stupid reason, for pointless reasons here. Okay, let's see next. To be apple of my eye, so somebody is in love here with you. Change in one tune. If this person was not talking in the past, they want to talk here, they want to come forward, they want to step forward and tell you what how they feel. To love with all your heart and soul, so definitely I'm getting the vibes of soulmates. This can be a soulmate of yours, okay, who is coming towards you or who is from your friend circle here, and they really love you, their heart is very pure, which I'm getting. Okay, this person is very clever, I'm getting, like very clever. Okay, very studious. This person can be studious. You can be from law field or administration, something you study like that. Okay, bird's eye view, so definitely this person is keeping an eye on you. They are very clever person, let me tell you. Okay, and they want a stable foundation with you, they want family with you, they want children with you, because they see you as a their future wife or husband. Okay, call you. So yes, definitely this person will call you, definitely. This person truly loves you, which I'm getting. They want to be your protector, they want to be your provider here. Okay, yes, so let's see why they want to talk with you, some more messages. So yes, this can be a person who offered you something or you offered this person something, because we also had change in tune. Where is it? I saw it somewhere, I don't know. So yes, they are changing their mind, which I'm getting here. They are changing their mind. Yes, change one's tune. So they are changing their mind. If they rejected you in the past, they are not happy about it. And if they offered you something or they will offer you something, okay, they want yes from you, they don't want no, they don't want to hear no in this situation. They want to establish balance in this connection, they want balance, peace in this connection. And as I told you, they want to take you on a date, or they want to offer you their cup, their love, their emotions, everything here. Okay, because they see you as their future spouse. Okay, sun, they want success. As I told you, this can be a Leo or fire sign. Okay, not necessarily. Okay, so they want success in this connection, they don't want fight, they don't want fight, conflict, confusion in this connection. They want peace with you. Okay, they really love you here. I'm getting a strong connection, I'm feeling here. Okay, this person is very serious. Now it is up to you what you want, but this person is serious. Okay, this can be from your workplace, who likes you. Okay, who loves you, actually, not like you, loves you. Okay, and yes, if you had some conflicts, fight, or you rejected this person, you didn't accepted their offer, love offer, they want you to accept it, and they want to take care of you here. They also want children's with you here. Okay, and this also talks about like creating a stable foundation. They want to create a stable foundation so you both can live happily ever after. So this is what I'm getting for pile 3. So let's see your some love messages for you. Sleeping alone just sucks. Okay, so this like confirms that they see you as their future wife or husband. Okay, you call or text me to see if I'm okay, so you care about this person. If you know this person, you really care about this person, or this person really cares about you. This person can be older than you. Okay, you have a cutest smile on earth, so they really love your smile, and I'm also getting your eyes. Okay, last message for pile 3. You always take the pain away. So yes, you always take their pain away. So this is you have all those qualities which they want in their future spouse. So yeah, that is why they really love you here, and nothing to say. So this is your reading. Thank you for watching. Bye.